Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanu Wellness. And today we're going to discuss the top 5 morning stretches that can help to ease your neck stiffness. Now, incorporating these morning stretches into your morning routine can make a huge difference. They will help to improve your blood circulation, improve your flexibility, and reduce tension and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. So let's get started and learn how to relieve neck stiffness with these simple yet effective stretches. In this video, we'll demonstrate 5 essential neck stretches. 1. Neck side stretch. 2. Neck rotation stretch. 3. Neck flexion stretch. 4. Neck extension stretch. 5. Upper trapezius stretch. And stick around until the end for a bonus tip on how to combine these stretches with breathing techniques for maximum relief. So let's dive into the first stretch and start easing that neck stiffness. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our helpful content. Let's get those neck muscles loosen up. Let's start with the first exercise, that's the neck side stretch. This particular stretch is excellent for targeting the muscles on the side of your neck. And the best part about this exercise is it helps in relieving muscular tension and also improves the flexibility of your neck muscles. Perfect way to start your day. So let's start. For this, you'll be sitting in your bed comfortably. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Then tilt your head onto the right side. With your right hand, hold your head and start tilting. Take your ear closer to your right shoulder. With the other hand, that is your left hand, depress your left shoulder. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds. Then gently tilt it back. This can be repeated on the other side. 2 important things to remember is 1 is breathe in normally, do not hold your breath. And 2, try to hold for minimum 15 to 20 seconds. Again, I'll show you. Tilt till the time when your ear comes to your shoulder. Till then, try breathing normally. You should feel a nice stretch on the side of your neck muscles. Once you feel that gentle stretch, then start releasing. Second stretch is neck rotation stretch. Now, this particular stretch helps improve the range of motion and reduces the stiffness. Not only this stretch targets the muscles which are very tight due to poor posture or prolonged sitting in front of your desktop. Let's start. In this, you will be sitting again comfortably. Slowly rotate. You rotate your head towards the shoulder. You have to align. If I'm doing the left side, I am aligning my chin to the left shoulder. You should feel a nice stretch on the side of your neck muscles. Gently hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then get it back to the starting position. Similarly, do it on the other side. Again, rotate the neck. I'm doing on the right side now. Align your chin to the shoulder. Feel a nice stretch at the side of your neck muscles. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds and gently relax. Remember, holding 15 to 20 seconds and do not hold your breath. Share your favorite morning stretch in the comments given below. Remember, we love hearing from you. Your tips can help others start their day with less neck stiffness. Don't go anywhere, we have a fantastic bonus tip at the end of this video on combining these stretches with breathing techniques for maximum relief. So stay tuned. Now let's discuss the third exercise, which is neck forward flexion stretch. Now this particular stretch helps to reduce tension and improve flexibility in the muscles that often become tight from looking down at your laptop or your mobile or even reading. It's an excellent way to relieve neck stiffness and start your day with a relaxed neck. So let's get started. You have to sit comfortably. Keep your shoulders relaxed, spine upright, and gently start looking down. You should feel a nice stretch at the back of your neck. To deepen the stretch, you can interlace your fingers like this and then press it down. Press your head down. You will feel a nice stretch at the side, that is the back of your neck, and hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Gently come up. Remember two things. Again, don't hold your breath and hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Fourth exercise is neck extension stretch. Now, this stretch helps to lengthen and strengthen the muscles at the front of your neck, which can become shortened from slouching or poor posture. Incorporating this particular stretch helps not only reduce the stiffness but also helps to improve your posture. So let's get started. Now sit comfortably. Again, relax your shoulder, keep your spine upright, and gently move your chin upwards. Start looking up towards the ceiling. Feel a nice stretch at the front of your neck. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds and gently release. Remember, very important thing is do not overextend or strain your neck. Fifth exercise is the upper trapezius stretch. Now, this stretch targets the muscles between your neck and the shoulder. This stretch helps to reduce tension not only in the neck but also the shoulder area, which often become tight due to stress or poor posture. You must have seen many people have got elevated shoulders. Their shoulders are so stiff, and this is basically due to the upper trapezius muscle, which is just sits on the top of your shoulder and your upper back. The upper trapezius muscle, it becomes tight. So when it becomes tight, you start having lot of pain not only in the neck but also the shoulder area. So now for this, sit comfortably, relax your shoulders and place one hand behind your back and the other hand on the top of your head and start pulling the neck on one side. So tilt your head. If I'm doing the right side, try to hold your head with the right hand and move the head on the right side till you feel a nice stretch right from your neck to the upper trapezius area. It's different from the side stretch. Here you will feel not only the neck but also the entire trapezius area, this area. With the other hand, try to keep your shoulders retracted. Feel a nice stretch in this area along the neck muscles and relax. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds. Take deep breaths and then repeat it on the other side. Remember, very important thing is you have to feel the stretch along the neck until your shoulder area. Now, as promised, here's the bonus tip. Try to combine these stretches with deep breathing techniques for maximum relief. For example, when you're doing a neck side stretch like this, try to breathe out. Take deep breaths, exhale, and engage your core. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds and relax. Similarly, when you're doing a forward neck flexion, try to breathe out by engaging your core also. And relax. So when you do this, it not only helps in reducing the stiffness, improving your flexibility, but also it helps in engaging your core, which is your powerhouse muscles. Combining these deep breathing with stretching helps to relieve muscle tension. Also, it helps to calm our nervous system. By lengthening and relaxing, we are providing comprehensive relief from neck stiffness. So make this part of your daily routine for best results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Tanu Wellness, and do not forget to click that notification bell for more tips and advice. Thanks for watching and start your day with a stretch.